So I have another thing to show you. This is iReal X1 RGB Light, and it has a lot of modes, you can say. And I was hoping I would get a white one, which I am thankful, I would say. And this is not a light, it's just a sticker, and this is how you turn it on. That's the charging port. This has a cold shoe mount, so in all you can attach 1, 2, 3 lights. Including this, it will be a 4 light setup on your camera. And this is how it looks. Let me quickly turn it on. And that's the light. It's pretty bright, I would say. And just browse through different buttons. RGB, you press it, different lights: red, yellow, green, blue, magenta, red, and it's just cycling. And what about FX? Okay, so FX is just blinking lights, and this is CCT or K button. I'm just pressing it to switch through different modes, and plus is increasing the brightness, minus is reducing the light intensity. Nice. I am pretty happy with the light output. Like, this will help you in low light situations wherever you want, if you're doing some kind of product videography or something. Yeah, a must buy. Also, this is pretty cheap. I just got this for around $9.99. A similar competitor, Ulanzi, on Amazon you will get that same light for 2000, so that's pretty good. Yeah, go for it. I will post the link in the description, so just if you like it, just buy it.